Hello and welcome to this quick video to follow up on one I did a week or two ago about this new GPS from RadioMaster. This is the one that plugs into some of their receivers and over CRSF reports GPS information that can be sent down to your radio so you can do different things. Now, I had some fantastic questions on that original video, so thank you to all of you that did that, and I need to say thank you as well to the team at RadioMaster, particularly Ben, who was very kind and actually got back to me because I didn't know the answers to some of these questions, but they've come back and answered it for you. So thanks to everybody. Let me go through these very quickly. First one was from the Ooze777, and he asked, does it include a compass? The simple answer to that is no. It's GPS only, sadly. So who knows, maybe a compass will come in the future as a separate sensor. I'm sure that we're going to see more from RadioMaster. Next one then was from Hermie H66. They were asking, does it use GPS or also Galileo, GLONASS and Beidou and other things? Unfortunately, it's just GPS only at the moment. Who knows, that might change in the future, but that's the way it works for now. Next question then was from Joshua S2716, and he was asking about why it has two different modes, the speed mode and the normal GPS mode. I think it's just the way that they've built it. I, Joshua, share your disappointment that it doesn't do everything all at the same time, that you have to choose one or the other. Speed mode, by the sound of it, has been set up so that it has minimal GPS size and the speed of it is raw data. So there's no filter, it's the fastest refresh rate, and this is ideal for reading speed and recording top speeds when you want very, very fast, accurate location information so that you can interpret that and get a speed reading. The normal GPS mode has all the normal GPS data, so the response speed will be slower, but that's much better for position logging. I hope that that changes in the future and then we get a GPS that can do both of those things at the same time, or potentially have the ability in HTX to interpret that data to kind of get additional information out of it. Next question then was from Mr. Larducas. Apologies if I've just absolutely murderized that name. He was asking, does it have some kind of microcontroller inside that manages telemetry? It does. It has an MCU inside. The MCU will decode the GPS data and convert it to the CRSF format that it will talk to the receiver using. It also deals with the daisy chain protocol so that other sensors can be connected to it as well. Steve C9810 asked, does anyone know if this will be compatible with a Nexus running an RP3H? That's an easy one. Unfortunately, Steve, no, it doesn't. So hopefully those have been useful, and if you had a similar question, it's been answered for you. Again, anything else you need to know, do leave it in the comments down below. And again, massive thanks to Ben up at RadioMaster for coming back and answering that for us. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.